Hi everyone, it's Kavya. Today is Friday, February 22nd, 2019, and my password is purple. And here is my audience right here. Okay. 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 So, global warming is part of the climate change that is a rising issue in our world today. So, what is climate change? According to NASA, climate change encompasses of global warming, but it refers to the broader range of the changes that's happening to our planet today, and that's including rising sea levels, um, shrinking mountain glaciers, accelerating ice melts in Greenland, Antarctica, and the Arctic, and shifts in the flower and plant blooming times. So, what is the problem today with climate change? It is how the climate is changing. So, what evidence do we have that demonstrates that there is a change that's happening? So, some of that demonstration or what is happening right now is what we're doing is collecting the data through satellite. Because of the technology that we have today, we're able to do that to see that there is a decrease of snow over the northern hemisphere, along with disappearance of the Arctic sea ice. And then there's deforestation, emissions, and of course, extreme heat events. So, with that, another problem that we have is education on climate change and gaining more knowledge about climate. So, this includes the climate systems and its processes, and how we as humans, it's affecting climate and how it is affecting us, and learning to understand what will happen if this continues. So, a cause and effect of climate change. What actions we can take to adapt to the climate change, and some examples of a continuing climate change in the future is having more droughts and heat events, along with a change in agriculture, so that can drag on a little bit longer, and precipitation patterns are some of the examples. And another dilemma is people's perception of the severity of this topic. So, attitudes tend to be based on how people evaluate an action, event, or an idea. So, because of this, many people have different beliefs due to their attitudes, their values, and their beliefs. But a solution to our problems here is just understanding how we can help. So, changing our minds as an individual and as a community. So, just by shifting the way your attitude, it'll be easier for you to comprehend the issue, and you'll become more willing to learn more about climate change by just shifting your attitude and your beliefs, becoming more open minded. Know that educators, the education programs that um, here are promoting only positive attitudes towards the environment, and that's one of their main goals for these education programs. It's just giving positive attitudes out to everybody and making sure they understand that this is an important cause. And after gaining more knowledge and you can become an educator yourself. So that's always a beneficial thing. You can become an educator, you can join groups, and you can learn about different opportunities that are available out there also. So, climate change is a big topic due to many factors that is involved with it, and we as humans, we only have one world to live in, so let's learn how to preserve the what is left, and contribute to understanding more, and so that we can teach everyone else about climate change in our world and what's happening to it. So, why don't you take the first step and join the U.S. Global Change Research Program and began connecting and engaging and understanding our world and how we can help. So, the U.S. Global Change Research Program, it is a federal program that coordinates and integrates global changes research across 13 government agencies, and that ensures that it must effectively and efficiently serves the nation and the world. So hopefully today you guys understand what climate change is, the problems that we have with climate change, our solution in trying to help these problems, and be a helpful member in society and join the U.S. Global Change Research Program.